and excited. Haven't had a first gen about 10 years, 9 years, and I haven't had ever a GSL SE, so it's kind of exciting. I bought it from my cousin. I think I buy all my cars from my cousins, but he moved to Puerto Rico from Chicago area and he wanted to sell it. Well, he didn't want to sell it, kind of had to, so gave me a good deal, picked it up. Of course, it needs some little work, but a lot of the parts, everything on the car is pretty original, which that's what I like. Nobody has really chopped it up and removed stuff that I like. So excited. Let's see how it looks. Haven't seen it personally, just a bunch of pictures, and that's about it. Some videos, but it doesn't do quality as actual seeing it in person. So it's almost there. Hopefully the semi truck gets here because it's pretty hot. Alright, see you in a bit. GSL SE Sexy Beast. Hey, where'd he go? Second time I get a RX7 into this same church delivered. Oh, look at that front. Oh. He's trying to hide from me because he knows I'm excited. Let's go check it out. Oh. How you doing?
All right, how you doing?
All right. Already got some parts for it in the side of the car. Says it right there, 13B it inside. Let's see the first startup. All the way up from the Chicago area. Sounds good. Starts right up. It's a big guy. Forgot to lower this part right here. Lucky caught it, would have been boom. Alright, pop-ups, you know. vacuum leak. You could have put gas on it. Alright, here it is, under light. What I got Saturday, today's Monday. I don't even know what time it is. It's gonna be 9 o'clock at night. But it's been busy. But washed it, you can see Chicago area. Not too bad. But needed more work than I really anticipated. It is the GSL SE, of course. Inside is pretty clean. A few minor things. See if this light works better, which I don't think so. Pretty. I got the original radio. He sent it somewhere in there, somewhere in the back. Seats look clean. He sent extra parts with the car. $118 something. Soon it'll be getting rebuilt. This doesn't stay open. Not bad. This size is not bad. Got some extra sun visors. Seats are pretty clean. It's pretty decent inside for an 85. But does need some attention. It's a better daytime shot. I like the FBs. Never had a SE like I said before. I'm working on getting a glass roof. Doing a trade. If everything goes to plan. Interior is pretty clean. Very clean actually. Not bad. One thing I'm gonna do first is put some tints, cause I am a tint guy. I can't stand a car with no tints. A few dents here or there, rust. A few parts already mentioned before. Gonna get my key cut finally. Put in the garage. Pretty clean, has a few things, not bad, but for an 85, what can you expect? So far, one of the turnkey. ahead and clean it up and put it in the garage. I'll probably post this video now.